Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing all cables now, because the easiest failures are electrical. First, unplug the power and HDMI, then wait 60 seconds to discharge capacitors. This resets many faults. While idle, check the power brick LED and try a different outlet or surge protector so you know the supply is good. Once done, visually inspect cables and port pins for damage. If you spot dust, use compressed air and wipes carefully to clean connections before moving to diagnostics. You now perform boot diagnostics to separate hardware from software causes. Try a low-resolution or safe mode boot using the controller sequence or the eject plus bind combination. This tells you if the OS loads. If the console reaches recovery, make a USB installer with the correct system file and reinstall the firmware, because corrupted software often mimics hardware failure. Meanwhile, swap HDMI cables and inputs to confirm the video path. Once you narrow it down, prepare for component-level fixes if the console still won't load. You finish by addressing hardware issues identified during diagnostics. Open the console only if you're comfortable. Reseat ribbon cables, clear dust from the fan and heatsink, and reapply thermal paste if temperatures were high. This fixes many thermal shutdowns. Replace the power brick, storage drive, or optical unit one at a time and test boot after each swap to find the faulty part. If problems persist, capture error codes or beep patterns, then escalate to official support or a board-level technician for trace-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.